Welcome back, everybody. In today's session we'll do writing and we'll discover argumentation. And we will base our lesson today on the national exam of 2020. In this exam there was a question which is the following. Complete the following paragraph. Many people leave the countryside to live in the city for several reasons. So we should complete this paragraph. Now, the first thing is that we should know what is argumentation. So argumentation is when you express your opinion about a certain issue and try to support your ideas to be more convincing. So it's like in argumentation, we should give our opinion about a certain topic and we should support our opinion. And how can we do argumentation? In an argumentation, we should know what is our opinion concerning the topic. It's like, are we for or against? Do we support a certain idea or not? Two, we should formulate a topic sentence. A topic sentence, it means the starting point of our writing in argumentation. A topic sentence shows our opinion. Three, we should think about ways to back up our opinion. Four, in the conclusion, we should confirm our opinion. Now, in the example of writing we will study today, we already have a topic sentence. It's already there. So we need to move to the third step, which is to think about ways to back up your opinion. In argumentation, or when you want to argue, it's necessary to have an idea about techniques or mechanics that can help you support your opinion. First, there is what we call exemplification. Exemplification, it means you give examples to support your opinion. Another one is explaining or explanation. Explanations help you to explain and make your opinion very clear for the reader. Three, it's when you give facts. What I mean by facts, it means like statistics, like percentages, like it could be also quotes, quotations. Quotations, that means what other people say about the topic. So that's the best way you can write an argumentative writing or paragraph. And finally, in the conclusion, we confirm our opinion. It's like we reword, that means rewrite the topic sentence in a different way to confirm our opinion. Now, let's apply what we have seen on this example in here. Many people leave the countryside to live in the city for several reasons. As I told you before, we already have the topic sentence. It's there. Now, the other step is we should think about how to support this idea. And we need 1, 2, 3. We need 3 ideas to support our topic sentence. Okay, let's think about exemplification. So, exemplifications, that means we should give an example. Examples, it's like, for example, public services. Public services, it's one of the ideas why people leave the countryside and move to the city. First, people move to the city because of public services. For example, See, that's examples. For example, education, comma, hospitals, and that's the last one. And what could be another public service? So there is education, hospitals, and transportation, for example. And transportation. So in this first step, we applied exemplification as a technique to support our opinion. In the second one, let's do explanation, for example. So let's try to explain. And I'm thinking about, okay, facilities. Facilities, it means everything that makes your life easy. So it's facilities. Second, facilities, the verb is to push. Facilities push people to leave the country side. We need to explain this, okay? An expression that we can use for explanation is like, in other words, city life makes it easy for people to move to different places easily. So this is a way to explain our opinion. Second, facilities push people to leave the countryside. In other words, city life makes it easy for people to move to different places easily. That's right. Now, the third way we can support our argument is by facts, using facts. And it will be like this. Third, job opportunities okay, attract people to the city. As many immigrants, that means people who move from place to another, as immigrants say. Third, job opportunities attract people to the city, as many immigrants say. In here, we are giving a fact about our opinion, which is going to help us convince the reader. And it's like we use what other people say to support our opinion. That's it. And finally, as I told you, that's the conclusion. And in conclusion, we confirm our opinion. So in general, our opinion is that people move to the city. So how are we going to confirm our opinion? Is that we can say, finally, people choose city life because it's more comfortable. And when I say comfortable, that means because there are public services, there are facilities and job opportunities. So this is what makes life comfortable. So people choose city life because it's more comfortable than country life. We say country life or countryside, that's okay. So this is our final work. Many people leave the countryside to live in the city for several reasons. First, people move to the city because of public services, for example, education, hospitals, and transportation. I repeat, this is what we call giving examples. You give the idea and you give examples to explain your opinion. Second, facilities. So some people will say, what do you mean by facilities? The next step explains what is facilities. Facilities push people to leave the countryside. In other words, city life makes it easy for people to move to different places easily. So this sentence explains the first sentence. Third, job opportunities, and in here we are using the technique of giving facts and quotes, I mean what other people say. So job opportunities attract people to the city, as many immigrants say. So it's like here I'm giving an opinion based on what people say. It's not just theoretical opinion, it's based on facts, on truths. Finally, so in conclusion, we are rewording our opinion and saying that people choose city life because it's more comfortable than country life. Thank you everybody for your attention and best of luck everyone.